Finally, example 6. An airplane descends. What does descend mean?
Goes down.
Goes downward from 36,000 feet to 10,000 feet in 13 minutes. Express its rate of change in altitude in feet per minute as assigned number. So, a couple things going on here. First off, it says express its rate of change in altitude in feet per minute. If I'm looking for a unit of feet per minute, can everybody see the number of feet goes on top, the number of minutes goes on bottom? So just the unit itself is kind of determining how I'm going to do this problem. So to find the rate of change, I need to find out how many feet it descended. I know where it was, I know where it ended up, right? Is descending, if it's going down, what sign number should we attach to that if we're going downward? A negative, right? So if we're descending, our altitude is going downward, we're decreasing in altitude. So when I do this, I'm going to take my final altitude, 10,000 feet, and subtract my initial altitude of 36,000 feet. Okay. So final minus original. Anytime you want to find out a change in position, you take your final position, subtract your original position. The correct sign will be on your answer based on that. So, in this case, my final is 10,000, my original is 36,000. The signs are different, so I subtract, right? 36,000 minus 10,000 is 26,000. And again, we're in subtraction addition mode, so we're looking for the bigger number to determine the sign of the answer. 36,000 is bigger, it's a minus 36,000, so it's a negative 26,000 feet. So the change in altitude is negative 26,000 feet. The change in time, number of minutes that it took 13 minutes to happen, right? So I'm going to take negative 26,000 divided by 13 minutes. And notice the unit of the final answer is feet per minute, which is what we're looking for, feet per minute. Notice that it's a division, this divided by this, and the signs are different, so we get a negative answer. And if I do 26,000 divided by 13, again, assuming our calculator ran out of batteries, let's do it by hand. 13 goes into 26 2 times 13 is 26. And then notice 0 and then 0, 0, 0. Everything else is zeros. I'm going to go all the way to the end of the number, so I need a 0, a 0, and a 0. So 2,000 is the quotient of those two numbers. So negative 2,000 feet per minute is the rate of descent of this specific airplane. Every minute it drops about 0.4 of a mile. I don't know if that's rapid or not on the fly.